This our MP is not on. So you try to on it to not on, off to not on.
Okay.
So we are going to work it now.
Alright. No point. We'll cut it off. Any party they would like to cut the video, they cut them off now.
Somewhere around.
So what's the first thing you check if it doesn't come on?
First to check the battery. Battery is okay.
Battery is 4.1
volts. So now I need to check my switch whether it's working or not. Okay, my switch is working.
Okay.
Okay, now there is bunch here and I need to trace it. No, it went here, so I need to open it. I've opened it. Now check from here to here. It's rich. Now what can be the problem? So now I have to bypass someone to. So now carrying this from here. Battery positive to power this switch. This came on.
Okay, so you just took battery positive to the switch.
Yeah.
Okay, and it came on.
Yes.
Okay. So that's just the problem.
Yes. So now I need to solder it so that it will not give me any more problems.
You just bypass battery positive to the switch.
Nope. There is already light in the switch.
Okay.
So, but light is not entering into the card.
Okay.
So I can on it. So I need to bypass it. So now I need to solder. Come over here. Add small lid here. No good soda. Enter to blue. So the thing.
Oh, yeah, thing. So we are looking for the closest place we can connect battery positive so that
So now you can now check
switch
here. Here should be negative. Where's my meter now reading? Now here is negative. Here is negative. Is reading. So here it should be positive. So positive went here, here, here. So switch is on. I need to off it. It's off now. Positive here. So positive came here. Positive battery. So I have to solder it here.
So that it's to switch, you
Yes.
can switch it off. Or it's reading on both sides. Where is the on side?
Okay, it's not reading both sides.
What is it reading?
Now it's to show you that see the main place now.
Alright.
Here is to show you that light is here.
Okay.
So now I have to do something. So switch it. Now I'll solder it to the mid.
Okay.
So you can just get some lead and do small arithmetics. I've switched it came on. That's all for today. Bye.